right, guys, we're back in the John Deere booth, and we're going through our Ops Center walkthrough and our equipment mobile. I just learned about equipment mobile literally like 10 minutes ago. We have the pro Amanda behind us here. She's going to walk us through this, and we're actually going to put on the screen right here, we're going to show her iPad and exactly what the user interface looks like. The technology that's in this stuff that's coming in the future is just transformative for being able to actually learn and grow your business with good data, right? Good data is everything, all about good inputs, good outputs. This is how you get that stuff on your mowers. I'm gonna flip it over to Amanda, let her take it away, walk us through equipment mobile first, and then we're gonna go over and talk Ops Center on the other side.
Cool, so we're gonna talk a little bit about equipment mobile, really focusing on, we have an example today here of a Gator utility vehicle. So you have many different pieces of machine, or all of our machinery can be added into equipment mobile. I thought this would be a good example to you. So as you can see, we have the different main areas here within equipment mobile. So really that app to set up, operate, use, and maintain your piece of equipment. So the first one we're gonna look into is the operator's manual. So we think of operator's manuals being the books that's hard to find. We have both a virtual option through your operator's manual, but the best part is the Ask the AI assistant. So being able to ask AI exactly what you need to do in that. So like, for example, we could ask how much oil is needed for my oil change. And the AI is gonna come back with an answer of exactly from my operator's manual for this specific machine. It says that I need 2.2 liters of oil for my, and then it even gives you the references exactly where it got that in the operator's manual. So
no time Googling
exactly.
None of that stuff.
It's all right here, asking AI each time. The next thing I look is the view diagram and order part. So this is a great way to come in and understand if you need a part or additional attachments, is being able to look at this via your serial number, but the actual diagrams within shop.deere.com. So being able to find a specific part based upon what you're looking for. So looking here, example, within our engine, being able to see exactly what parts are needed for that piece of equipment. So having that confidence that you know you're purchasing the correct part, whether that's through shop.deere.com or at your local dealer. So a great tool to be able to do that all within the equipment mobile app. You also have the ability to contact your dealer for support. So it'll give you information about the dealer that you're partnered with and chose to be with there. And then also we have the ability to view software updates for the machine if it's capable. But we talked all about the maintenance side. And the maintenance side, this is an example of a maintenance plan that we talked about. So this machine has a maintenance interval coming up here in 71 engine hours. So you can see all the different ones that are going to be here over time. This machine right now has about 600 hours on it. But you can see once you open up that maintenance plan, you have the ability to see all of the tasks that need to be completed as part of that, and the ability to mark them complete based upon when it's done. So
this is like a living SOP, like it's a living standard operating procedure for your people to be able to maintenance equipment. Wow.
So the ability to mark those off, ability to take notes, add photos, documentation, also being able to see exactly what parts are needed for that service interval. So both planning and execution of that is knowing exactly what's needed. Have the ability to add that straight to your cart through shop.deere.com and make your purchase all through equipment mobile. So don't even have to take another step, but you can add that part to your cart and be ready to go for your service interval. So a great way to not only execute your maintenance, but also track it. And the same information is we're both with an operations center and an equipment mobile. So equipment mobile is supported by supports all John Deere equipment to be able to see this information in it.
If it has the John Deere serial number, it's in there.
Yep.
That's amazing.
Exactly.
That's amazing. So this is really for users that maybe they don't want to go out and buy a modem to put on their machine, right? They just want to run serial number based, and it's still going to be all your maintenance plans, things like that.
Yeah.
That's
absolutely.
Fantastic.
So yeah, it does not have to be a connected machine to be within equipment mobile, but gives you that opportunity to see the information by your piece of equipment.
That's amazing. Well, you want to go over to Ops Center?
Let's do it.
Let's go check out Ops Center. I'm pumped for this. This is something that is just so fantastic. It's tech that is really groundbreaking for the future here. All right, we have now swapped over to the operations center. We're gonna go to the other side of the screen, but there's so many people checking out the booth, we couldn't even fit over there. So we came to this side and said, hey, let's go with it. So Amanda, take it away with the operations center.
So this is John Deere Operations Center. So we're starting here on the map page. So we're looking at, this is a live active machine running here today. And so you'll see, I just moved there for us, but you'll see this is just the overview of where's the machine located, what has it been doing just on today. So we have it set by today, but you can go back and look at that by, last month, last year, whatever you want it to be. But thinking of the utilization is one thing we talked about, and that's where you can see the working, transport, and idle time that they have as part of that. So this machine has been working 77% of the time today and transporting 22% of the time. But then also being able to see the overall view of that operation. So easy way to see exactly where the machine's at, what's the speed of its running currently in the moment, but then also being able to go back and seeing over a period of time, what has it been doing. The other thing is, so this is machine by machine utilization, but we also have machine analyzer, what we talked about, which is the ability to see all of this information in one spot. So instead of seeing it machine by machine, you have the ability to see it over multiple pieces of equipment. So right now we have it, this is the month of September actually, so looking back, say you're thinking, how did the last month go?
Yeah.
And you can see this by, so we'll go ahead and go to zero turn mowers, but you can see even as your major.
Yeah, that's all your mowers, yeah.
Yep, exactly, but going even into each individual one, so seeing the first column here right now is, which you can change these, is engine hours over the lifetime of the machine, how many engine hours were put on in that specific month.
During that, yeah.
Yeah, so seeing what's been doing, it's been doing back in that period of time, but then also your overall utilization. So machine by machine, what machine's the most efficient, what's been transporting too much, idling, you can see that and compare that machine to machine. So this is also what you can get sent to you through the reports. So that's also an option to be able to get that as part of the reporting.
And this is like, you can set that report as frequently as you want?
Yep, it's up to you when you set it up. However you want that to be sent to you.
Let's not forget, folks, this is literally free to use.
Absolutely. The other thing is the maintenance we just talked about on Equipment Mobile is also accessible through Operations Center. So you'll see we have some past due, some coming soon due, but that same information to be able to see what is needed, what needs to be completed, being able to mark those tasks off just like you can in Equipment Mobile, being able to see what parts are needed, the notes, being able to add in costs, all being able to track maintenance of your machine over a lifetime.
Yeah.
So the same functionality that you just saw on Equipment Mobile is also available in Operations Center. So no matter what.
But this is linked. That's the benefit, right?
Exactly.
Equipment Mobile, you're going on serial number based. This is real time, so like it's tracking. Like it knows at 400 hours when your machine hits 401, it's going to tell you you're overdue by an hour, right? So that's what you're not getting in Equipment Mobile if you don't have a modem. So that's where the modem comes into play, putting that and sending it to the cloud.
Absolutely. So the modem is that real-time information. Either way, you can access and have that information in the maintenance. It's just if it's real-time updated to give you that notification, or you're manually knowing yourself that it's 100 hours, I need to do my maintenance.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
So cool. That's
the other thing I want to show you really quick is our service overview, which is a newer feature, which is the ability to see all of your equipment within the organization, and what is kind of the overall, so what's the warranty status on it, how many hours does it have, ordering parts, if it has any diagnostic trouble codes that you need to look into. All this information is available within Operations Center for you to see real time.
So here it's showing, what do we got in this column right here?
Yep, so those are the engine hours of that machine.
And that's,
so you can see some of those were 3 minutes ago. That's the last
when it's updated, okay.
Yep. So a lot of these are running today. Some of them haven't ran for a couple of days.
Yeah.
But you can see that live information coming in.
That's so cool. That's
near
fantastic.
real time.
So I guess you got anything else you want to run through on this front?
This is the main parts of John Deere Operations Center.
Yeah.
So the best part is this is a web version. It's also a mobile app, Operations Center Mobile, where you can have it in your pocket, easy to see where a machine's located, but all different types of pieces of equipment that can be a part of this.
So talk to me about how do we sign up for this, right? Because we say it's free. What does it look like to get set up with Ops Center, set up with Equipment Mobile, if you have these units? Yeah,
so it all starts with creating a John Deere account. So either through accessing, you can start that process through Equipment Mobile and or Operations Center. It starts by creating a username and password. Being able to classify what type of customer you are, so a landscape contractor, and actually helps the Operations Center and Equipment Mobile show you the information that matters to you in your industry. And you have the ability then to add your equipment into it and partner with a dealer of your choice if you would like.
Yeah, that's so cool. Amanda, thank you for your time.
Absolutely.
I truly appreciate it. We could not do this without like people like you, right? Putting the stuff on the back end, showing us how it actually works, because again, good data in, good data out, right? You can track this, guys, and stay tuned. We're gonna walk through this on our account as we get it set up and built out. How does this actually work? How do you track the good data on this? Me and Amanda may get on a call and do a Zoom or something for you to show you this, because it's one of these things where you can track, hey, maybe I'm on a property for 10 hours, or my guys are clocked into a property for 10 hours, but the machine's only running for 6, right?
Yeah.
You can set it over the course of a month and say, hey, over the course of September, my guys worked 65 hours, but my machine only ran for 40 hours, right? So where's the disconnect there? Do we have people that are on properties that we're billing time for, but machines not being productive? So those are ways you track this. You link a modem to it, it goes to the cloud, you get all this stuff updated, right?
Yep.
Real time, just
Yep.
about. So it's fantastic data, fantastic opportunity for you to get this stuff linked into your company with John Deere. So, man, thanks for your time.
Yep.
Thanks for letting us in the booth here at John Deere.
Absolutely.
We
Thank
could
you for
not
coming.
be more excited to bring this to our audience and show you. So, guys, thanks for tuning in. We'll keep on walking. Who knows where this is going to fall in the video, but we're overviewing a lot of stuff here in the booth. Lots of stuff that's coming in down the road. This is a part of a longer series that we're doing with John Deere. Stay tuned for this. All the stuff to come. We'll catch you here on the next one.